3 plus 3 equal 18, 4 plus 4 equal 24, 5 plus 5 equal 30, then 7 plus 7 equal what? So can you find the number that fills this logical sequence? Comment your comment what number you found and watch my solution in this video. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and hit the notification bell, because here on the channel we daily uploaded free videos that train your mind in logical reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. So 3 plus 3 is 18. How? We know that 3 plus 3 is 6 and 6 times 3 is 18. So 4 plus 4 is 8, and now we have to multiply it by 3. So 8 times 3 is 24. 5 plus 5 is 10, and 10 times 3 is 30. So what is 7 plus 7? 14, yes. But here in this sequence, 7 plus 7 is 14, and we have to multiply by 3 as well. So it's become 42. So what replace the question mark? 42. Comment